Alright, hello everybody. Today we're gonna do some more Raylib. Oh gosh, I gotta actually turn Raylib on. There we go. And so here's what we had previously. Can we just fold this? There we go. Okay, right, so let's see. Okay, so I think this part wasn't working at all. We can just control K that. There we go. Now let's see what happens when we run it. 131. What? One. What? What did I break? Okay, that's that. Okay, this is the for loop. Okay, where does main end? Does it not? Main ends here. Okay, right, I see. I see the problem. Alright, let's see if that fixes it. Okay, why is it... What did I break? Okay, I broke something. Yeah. Uh... Okay, what did I break? So... That's our... So that's all in main, and then that's the while loop. Okay, well, this is why you use GitHub, for folks. All right, let's just file new. Get rid of these for the moment. Copy in the example. Okay, where's the browser I'm actually using? There it is. I chose the dramatic playlist for my music today, so that's what we're listening to right now. Sorted by newest, so all of these were made in March, or released in March for the YouTube audio library. What am I doing? Raylib. That's not how you spell Raylib. Okay, examples. Here we go. Let's just copy paste that. Enter here. Run that. What the fuck? What did I do? Why is it all... Nope. Oh, I see. Save as cardgame2.c. Let's try that. Run that. File. New. Save as game.c. Run that. Okay, we're back. We're so back. Great. So that I functionally just erased all the progress from last time, but that's fine. Okay, let me come on YouTube. I kind of like this chord progression. I feel like I've heard very, very similar songs to this before, but I'm not complaining because it's pretty good. Okay, so we got all of our setup jank going on. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I should be using Git, but I don't know how. I don't know how to make Git work, and like I've tried, and it just like hasn't clicked in my brain. It'll happen eventually. Probably not this stream. Almost certainly not this stream. But yeah, you're right, Peter 4. Peter... Oh wait, that's 0x. Gosh, I gotta... Standard programmer. What is that in... Well, hex 44... Decimal Peter 68? Okay. That is what that... Yeah, 0x40... Whatever. Is that... Oh, okay, that makes more sense. I was trying to read it as a number. Okay, anyway, plan for today. If my pen will work. Come on, pen. Okay, well that's broken. All right, yeah. Sorry about all of the like nonsense in me setting my stream up during the stream rather than before. Is my battery just dead? Okay, there we go. Okay, so audio library. There we go. Just gonna turn this down a little bit on my end. Actually, we can just skip the song. There we go. Okay, great. Okay. Thanks for being patient with all of this. Alright, so I want to make a card game. Put an A in there, right? But first we need to figure out a couple things. So the way in previous streams I was doing it, well, the previous stream was I was basically just making an array of 1 to 52 and then doing some processing. So like, you know, it was I used the new card order, which was, oh gosh, a new deck order. Nope, I'm using this one. Okay, new deck order. Spades, diamonds, clubs, hearts. There we go. Spades, diamonds, clubs, hearts. There we go. And so a 1 is the ace of spades, and a 14 is the ace of diamonds. And then I actually had some trouble figuring how to shuffle it, because all of the shuffling algorithms I was working with required you to pass both the array and the length of the array. And this was confusing to me because I've never worked with C before. So I had... Oh wait, file, open... Oh gosh. Where the hell's my previous project? Can I just file, open... There's no open recent, huh? Nope. Okay, that didn't do anything. Okay, well, I guess I gotta figure out how to, Passing arrays decays to pointers and loses the length info. I don't... Okay. So maybe dramatic is the wrong... Let's try calm. Sure, whatever. So function... What the hell is pointer decay? Pointer... So, passing arrays to C function decays to pointers and you lose the length... Okay, so... Okay, so my question here is... Let's say I have an array, right? And it's got, 20 elements in it, whatever. Right? Why can't I just pass it to a function and then inside the function say, hey, what's the length of my array? Like, why do you have to, from main, measure the length and then do shuffle? Why this? That's because I was just... I mean, I understand it now. Last time I did not understand it. So basically, what you want to do is use extra register to pass the length or something. Yeah. Yeah. So I was learning Rust a bit ago. And like now that I've played with C a little bit, I understand why Rust exists, because there's a bunch of like C jank that we still right, like Rust. You don't have to declare your program signatures at the top of the file like you do with C. Bunch of other stuff, but I feel like Rust. The main weakness of Rust is that it replaces C++. At least conceptually, which means that you need to know like Rust is for people who know C++, C or C++ really, really well. And they're like, this sucks and I want something else, and that's when you do Rust. And I was trying to learn Rust coming from like Java and Python, and that didn't work very well because Rust from Java adds a bunch of inconveniences that are just like, why do I have to do this? But if you're coming from C or C++, it's like, oh, it should have been like this the whole time. And now that I'm playing with C, I understand how to, like, why Rust is like that. Okay, so extra register past the length. So let's just do a quick dummy function. So what was it? How do you declare a function in C? Oh gosh. Okay, it's just... Okay, so I do want to... Okay, return time function name of arguments... Okay, great. So I'm going to return an int. Let's just call this bunk. Let's call it add. And then we need num1. Do I need to... I assume I need to specify that they're both ints. 1 int num2. Right. And then we just return 1 plus num2. And returns in C, I think, do require a semicolon. Okay, they do, yeah. Great. So now, if I call, okay, and then if I call this, okay, you know, let's just okay, so first I need to take this and then declare it up here, I believe, before main. right, semicolon, and then let's just run this in the before the while loop. So add 2 and 5 number equals, and then that should put a semicolon there, and then we just wait, D is this, and then that should be number. Let's hopefully that works. Non-void function control what? Okay, great. Too many arguments. Okay, so I do need to. How do I print? Okay, what was? Okay, here we go. Okay, so okay, so I just need a text format in there. Great. Text format. And then, nope. All right, number is colon, and then it's a colon D, I believe, for number. There we go. And what I break? Oh, okay, right. So I need to make number. Let's make that an int. Great. Ooh, I did it. Great. Okay, so great. So what I just but what I just did was I took, so we have the numbers 5 and 2, right? And then I copied them. And then I added them, and then I returned that, but these numbers aren't affected. So okay, wait, no, those. Okay, so here's the problem, because I put the numbers directly in the function. So what I want to do is I want to say int number add me 1 equals 2, and I need a semicolon there. Int add me 2 equals 5 semicolon. And now if I run this again, but I have sorry for the snake case. I know that's not the I know that's not the convention here. Okay, so that works just fine. But I believe I'm still making a copy, right? How do I test that? Can I? Oh, okay. So let's just result. Okay, so int result equals num1 plus num2. Great. Result. Okay, so now number is, let's see, is colon D All right. Great. Okay, so yeah, that's so num1 is okay, but if I put a star, okay, if I star this, does that do anything weird? No. Unary equals. Oh no, I need to get a pointer. Int star point add 1 equals ampersand add me 1. Great. And now we add this instead. Point. Do I need a star in there? I don't. Let's see. Okay, int is type is int star. So I just there we go. Okay, right now I need to get the data back out. Okay, so I need to see read from pointer. Value equals. Okay. Read the data. Okay, so it's key address. Cursor equals p address and data. Great. Sure, value equals. So I'm taking. I need to put the star equals. Let me just put the star there, I guess. Does that work? No, it doesn't. That's okay. Int result equals okay. Int num1 data equals num1. What happened here? Okay. Do I need to put the star here too? Okay, so now we're back down to the 2 ints. Okay, so okay. So line 30. Okay, so line 78 is this one. So that's just the function signature. Okay. I need to recopy this. That's okay. That was definitely throwing an error. I don't know if that was all my errors, but that was definitely throwing one error. The mismatch between the. Okay, great. Now I'm down to 2 errors with the passing argument of 1 add makes pointer from integer without cast. Okay, int number equals makes pointer from integer. Okay, so so the pointer's already a pointer. I don't need to remind the program it's a pointer. Great. So now num1. Okay, so now if I write to the address, I need to put a star there. Okay. Okay. That was needlessly confusing. Okay, so how do arrays work? So, or how do pointers work? Let's see. So, sorry, this music is annoying me. Genre. Try ambient. Okay, let's do ambient and calm. Mood. Okay, great. That should be good enough for now. Okay, we just figured that out. Thank you, learningabout.electronics.com. Okay, so what do we just learn? And I watched a video about this the other day off stream, but it's a little bit different to actually implement it. So, um, the name of the data type for pointer is data type star, right? So if you have a char a, then the pointer to that, right? So that's something I already understood, and then you need to specify in the signature if you're using a char or a char star, and the signature up top needs to match the signature down below, which makes sense. And then in order to update the data, so it's okay, so data equals 100. Wait, why did they use a character? Wouldn't that just be like a random letter? Okay, so address, we get the, so and data gives the address. So here's the address. Okay, right, and then okay, so and if we want to update the information there, we do char star, like, yeah, let's do it. Right, and then if we do a, that updates it. That's how I think it works. Okay, great. So now that we understand that, okay, let's see. I need to figure out exactly what I want to even do with my program here. So, as I said before, I'm using an array. I'm using what? What want to do? Okay. I'm using come on. I'm using an array of 1 to 52, and I haven't made that array yet, but it's pretty easy, as my deck. And then I have an encoding that's what, spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds. I have an encoding so that this is 113, and then I shuffle that, which I spent a good amount of time last stream just trying to figure out what the hell that was doing. Anyway, I shuffle that, and what, Peter D, I guess you said it was Peter D. Yeah, okay, so Peter D said that for some jank reason, C needs, you need the array and the length of the array. Anyway, after it's shuffled, then we also need a helper function to card name. And that's going to be a big, ugly switch statement. Which, you know, let's plan out that switch statement while I'm in the planning zone. So, and I'm going to be using integer division, so it's going to have some weirdness. But okay, so let's see. So where it's like, if how do I phrase this? So I think the function starts with case and less than 14 case and or greater than 14. I'm just gonna write and because I can't draw the ampersand thing. And in less than what, 26, etc. And then no, because I don't want to repeat the code, so I'm just gonna say it's spades, right? And I'll figure out the exact implementation details. What is this? And then do nothing. And then we want to divide. Okay, so that would be hearts. So we're going to subtract 13 and then 26, 39. And then that means the second operation can be shared across that, so it's just going to be case n equals 1, ace, etc. And I'm just going to say ace 2, it's 2, etc. So it's always a string. And then strings in C are also weird, and I don't understand them, because they're just arrays of characters with... How do I print an array of characters? Okay. Draw text. Okay. Take a display integers. Hello. Got a little kitty cat. She's saying hi. You probably can't see her. She's here. I don't know if you heard the meow. Okay, so that's all just... Okay, how do I just add a... I don't want to have to load a font for all of this, though. That's the question. Functions.r... Kitty cat. Okay. This usually happens when I stream. She just comes in and she wants love and attention. Draw text. Okay, so draw text ex. Draw a texture. There's Pro. Measure text, text to lower, text integer. Wait. Does he... Okay, I don't think this is a variadic function, so I do need the font. What's the default? Fonts. Okay, so these are all included, so I don't have to import them. Oh, I do have to. What's the default font? Okay, you know what, which one do I like the most? Mecha font? I think setback's the easiest to read, so we can do setback. Okay, great. So we can just copy paste that. Initialization, yep, all this nonsense. Great, so boom. And then we can say font equals OF. Alright, this font equals load font. Is that working? No errors, great. Okay, and then we can just copy paste the line down here. Draw text dx. And where do I want to put this down here in the middle so it's easier to work with? All right. Font. And then number is :D, and add 1 is :D. Oh, and then I need to wait, if I want to embed a thing, do I need to put this in parentheses? And then we just say number add me 1 positions we can just do font.base size, okay. Float spacings. Let's just do red. Spacings of I. Can we just put like a random number, like 200 in there? Will that work? Oh, shit. Oh, I broke everything. Great. Let's just do 200 again. Okay. So let's get rid of all those errors. Why is, okay, 75. Why did that break? Okay, so that's there. It main, okay. How does this all, okay. Do I move this? Okay, so that's the while. Okay, so the main, for some reason that broke. Okay, does this work now? Pointer from integer without cast. Okay, we don't, just ignoring those warnings. Argument 2 makes pointer from integer without cast. Add me one. What? No, I'm getting the. No, add me one is an integer. Point, add me one. Wait, did I? Okay, return result. So number 7. Where is the guy? Nope. But oh, I need a semicolon there. Okay, let's see. Oh, oh. Oh, and the cat jumped on my desk. Hello, cat. Here, let me just Hi, cat. You're on YouTube. You're being streamed. She doesn't care. What a good creature. She just wants to spend a little bit of time with me, and that's so valid. I think she wants to look out the window. Okay, so I'm gonna run this code again. Did it actually print anything? Does it print F? Do I have to specify print F? Oh, yeah. Okay, right. I need to include, right? Because we're working in C. Include. Okay, so print statement doesn't work because the. Wait, does the. Is it. Okay, so it did it not compile or did it crash after it compiled? Okay, so it did compile. Function main. Okay, so draw text. So this line should have gone off before this line, right? Okay. So I've got incompatible argument for. Okay, so the reason I'm using drawTextDX is that it can read a string. So I need to put this all in a string first. I can I just say hi? Does that work? Expected vector. Expected vector 2. What? Draw text EX. Font or list of fonts? Okay. So usage. Draw text. Is this just all in the print statement? Okay, draw text, draw text, draw text. Nope. I want draw text DX, which means here we go. This should have a draw text DX in here somewhere. Draw text, okay, text format. Oh my god. Okay, so font. So I just want a good draw text DX like example. Because you only need it if it's doing weirdness with strings. Yeah, okay, that's a collider. Draw text format. Oh, okay. So what's the dang problem here? Font. Draw text EX. Font. That's not an int, it's a vector 2, but right? Game 2. Wait, is it Wait, is the console is it pointing the wrong thing because it's not a monospaced font? Okay, let's see. Settings, preferences, general. Uh, plus plus. Globe. Okay, settings, style configurator. Okay, great. settings, style configurator. Font style. Okay, we can go with some Courier New. Font size, let's make that a little bigger. Save and close. Is this Courier? Is that? Okay, so I press F6 for the font. No. Settings, style configurator, Courier New. Okay, so that's good. Now everything's Courier New. So wait, no, the console's still not Courier New. Settings, gosh, settings, style configurator, force font trace for all. Okay, C, preprocessor. Enable global font. For all styles. Because this still isn't Courier. Default style. Global override, Courier New, bold. Okay, so 16 is a little big, maybe 14 point. Yeah, that's about right for streaming. Force bold choice, force underline style, force italic choice, force background color for all. Is it opening a menu plugins? Okay, great. Plugins. NPP exec, right. Where is it? Here, I'll change console font to Courier New. 12. Okay. Okay, that's way too big. Plugins, NPP exec, change console font. Let's do that 10. And that's still wrong. Okay, let's just run this again. Vector 2, Erman's int. What do you mean vector 2? Just 200. Too few arguments. Wait, how's a vector 2 different from Control Shift Z or go? Okay. Positions out loud, I guess. Init window positions vector 2. Okay, so it has to, you have to initialize as a vector 2, right? So vector 2 vector 2 position 200 and the close brace semicolon, and then we just put that in here. Position, great. What do you mean position? What? Vector 2 position equals... Oh, do I need to tell it how many things are in there? Expected vector, what? Oh. Missing braces around initializer. What? Expected vector 2, but argument is of type vector 2 star? What? Okay, equals 0. Okay, there we go. 0. Great. Position of 0 equals 200. Position of 1 equals 200. What do you mean vector 2 star? What is that? What is going on here? Vector 2. Wait, what the fuck am I looking? Okay. So we got a vector 2 of positions, max fonts. So that's the number of... Can I... How do I initialize vector 2? Let's see, does it support that? Vector 2 class... Okay, so... Raylib vector... I just want to make a vector 2. I don't have to... Okay. Victor. Oh, okay, here we go. Finally, thank you. That was unintuitive. Ooh, wait, that didn't print anything. What? Draw text EX. Okay, wait. What do you mean not responding? What I break? 7? Uh, stop. Kill it. And process, yes. Okay, so Windows should... Well, not Windows should close. Did I accidentally move a... Well, okay, end drawing... Wait. Where's... Is it not highlighting the friend? Okay, so that's return 0, close window. Okay, so that needs to be over... here, maybe? Why are you putting out 777? Okay, so... What's the default position on this example? Position is 190, 200. So let's just do 200, 200. Okay, I can't see it. It's supposed to be red, right? So color tint. Okay, so we got a color. Why can't I see it? Begin drawing, clear background. Oh, it failed to open file. Okay, it's using the default font. Why did it fail to open file? Okay. Why is but just where did my printf go? Does it just not print stuff? Why can I not load the font? Text. Resources, fonts. File, open. Where's... Okay, so there's just Raylib. Okay, so it's not reading the font correctly. So it's using the default font, but then the default font is for some reason not... Okay, fail to load font texture. Can I just... Okay, so... What filters? Is this because my... Wait, file... Open containing folder... File open... Where's the resources folder? Raylib, examples, logo, parser... Okay, examples... Okay. This has been kind of a short stream, but I'm no longer having fun, so I think I'm gonna call it a day here. I almost got negative work done, honestly. Like, I showed how pointers work to myself, but then... Why is... Okay, so... If I could track down this problem. So, a font... So we got high position... A font of... Okay, so... Times 2... So... What's... Okay, the function wants... Draw text EX float. Just okay. Let's just make that size like 1,000,000. Now, why are you not working? Oh my god, why is this not working? Core. And okay, so this will work, right? And then this print statement doesn't do anything, so we can ignore that. Okay, great. So that works. What's... Can I pass in... Okay, using default font. String text. Okay, so I can just put a string in there. Wait. String... Can I just make strings? Like, string... right? Do I need to... Strings are immutable. Okay, great. So if I do const string, and then instead of doing that, I put in is string. What broke? What? Const char. Strings are okay. So why does this not? Oh, I missed. I added too many things. Okay. Const message equals okay, what broke? Message, what do you mean message undeclared? Oh, I need to abbreviate it because I abbreviated it earlier. There we go. What broke? What do you mean it's an int? It's char okay, const char star. Do I need the what? Why is it saying it's an Dart? What the fuck am I looking at here? What? Raylib.dart? God. String in C. Okay, so char. Okay, so it's a char. Okay, great. Now I want the. I want a message. Just does this work? What? No. F6. What broke? What broke? Const char. Okay, so it wants. This needs to be const then, I guess. What do you mean const char star 11? 11? Oh, line number. What is that? Expected const char start, but argument just type const char 11. I guess that's the number of characters? Do I... Is it just message then? Okay, so I just pass in the... Great. Okay, so that works, and then I can just... Wait, that's way easier, isn't it? Oh, I forgot my decaf. I think I got the decaf. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Wom 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 wom. Okay, I'm back. Got decaf, got a bagel. Been streaming for a little over an hour. And I didn't want to cut the stream. Okay, so I don't have to do anything weird. I thought I had to do something weird. I don't have to do anything weird. Well, this sounds kind of fun. But actually, let's see. Mood, dramatic. Why? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Cat, you can open that door. I believe in you. Okay, one sec. I'll be right back. Okay. So, take your palm. Okay. Put your palm. Palm right. Oh. You can open that door. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. I had to convince my kitty cat that she was able to open a door. Okay. Okay, so we don't need this one anymore. Okay. Artist name. Maybe this is a little dramatic for coding, but yeah, no, it's a little bit too much for coding. Mood is calm. Okay. We can work with that. Okay, let me just check my audio levels are good. Okay, that's a little high. Okay, that decal was a little overcooked. I let it sit too long or something. But that's fine. Okay, so... Right, we working. Okay, now that I know I can just pass a string in there. Okay, let's go back to the... Okay, we can ignore it. We can get rid of this. Honestly, most of this code is just bullshit, so... get rid of all that. Okay, we can fold these comments. Great, now I can see the whole thing. Now we get to enjoy Raylib. Great. So, okay, go back to ideas, idea town. Okay, let's make our font, our size a little smaller. This is working, but it's upside down. Okay, so step 1, make an array of 1 to 52, which is very easy. And cards 52, great. 4 equals 0. I less than 52. I plus plus. Hopefully I got that right. We'll find out later if I didn't. I less than 52, so cards of I equals I plus 1. Where did I initialize message? Did I get rid of message? Okay. So char what was it? How did you char? Okay, great. And does it need to be const? Oh, and I need to... Okay, so int equals 0. We working, great. Now, stir cards of 1. And it broke, okay. To string C. It's into a string. Why is this so complicated? Oh my god. Here's a string in C. You need to manually... Ugh. It's like 4 different ways to text. Okay, text to integer, text to float, text copy, drawing function, draw text pro, draw text code points, text font functions. Text insert, text join, text append, text upper, text to float. Integer value from text. Oh. I'm just trying to wait. Okay, so no, there's definitely examples that do this. Let's find an example. Oh wait, no, I don't have to convert. Wait, can I? We work in percent %d comma cards of 1. And didn't work. Plus okay, this is all draw text. Oh, well, actually, no. No, because I'm using a message. So I'm using a string to. Assign distance field. Why is this so complicated? Draw text, input chars. See, I want to see. Strict hat. This is so inconvenient. I just want to append a character to a string in C. S20 equals hello. Add char. No, because if I add the char... Oh, gosh. Well, actually, okay, so I don't actually need to... Okay, so that doesn't need to be... So the string doesn't need to be... Okay, what happens if I... Okay, so try message equals we working. Okay, right. And then... Does that break things? I feel like that's going to cause an overflow of some sort. Assignment to expression with array type. Okay, that didn't... That broke... Not... Message... Plus equals... Assignment to expression... Okay, so... 1, 2, 3, 4... Okay, let's just do message of, like, 1. Okay, yep. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, so 9. So message of 11. That's gonna break something, right? Okay, so it's out of bounds. So can I do 20 and then that'll work? Wait, why did that not... Message of... Okay, so we working, right? So there's variable cards that are used. Char s20 equals hello. Char c equals... Okay. Add char. Let's try... Okay, add char sc. Is it... Yep, add char... Semicolon... What happened there? What do you mean implicit? What do you mean by... So, wait, but this says this is importing... Stir append? Oh gosh. Plus. Etcher I don't need anymore, but... Okay, so I can't add them? Well, see, it's concatenate to... Okay, I need standard lib. Okay, so... Okay, let's just see if that... Okay, and then I can just strcat. Okay, let's see. Let's just get rid of these two. Okay, so this just says we don't need the plus. We can just put the... Oh! Cool. So now I just need... Okay, so let's put a space here. Okay. Huh? Give the music some more genre. Let's do some dark ambient, whatever. Okay, great. Okay. So the message can have multiple strings in it, and then that message can be put into my print statement, or into the. So I just need to update the message every frame to. Okay. Starting to zone out here. Hmm. Hmm. Bring it int is easy. Why is it? Why is this so hard? Okay, so the colon I is an integer. So I know that. So the first thing I really want to do is I want to display the. Okay. So let's see what did I do last time. I set the FPS to 1, and then we can just. Char suit. Char suit. Can I? Okay, great. I was basically right. Okay, great. So, do, do, semicolon. So we have spades, hearts, clubs. Boom. Okay, great. So we got the array of suits. We got the array of char, suit char, rank. I guess suits and ranks equals ace 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 Why am I not? There we go. 9 10 Let's just go to 5. There we go. Just boop. 10 king. Or wait, no. Jack. King. Jack, queen, king. Okay, great. So that's our suits, that's our ranks. So message would be, these should be formatted the same way for. Okay, so I should learn how to lint stuff. Okay, great. So and then we set. We can just do let's just do an ij loop, right? So it's 0 to 12 and then 4 to 0 to 3. Or wait, no, it's just. So we can just like inner equals 0 and outer equals 0. If outer is greater than, so 11, zero. Else inner plus plus. Wait, it's 4. No, it's okay, no, be if inner, yeah, if inner is greater than 11, because it's 0, it'd be 0 to 12. So yeah, inner is greater than 11, inner is 0. Yep. Else inner equals 0. All right. Okay. Inner equals 0. Outer this equals 1. If outer less than, I want 0, 1, 2. If less than 4. Wait. Less than 4. Okay, wait, that's all this. So okay, where's our, okay, right, so okay, tab And then we put an else here. Outer equals 0. Char message equals suits of outer ranks of inner okay, what'd I break? Makes pointer from integer to point. Oh, okay. Got the dang semicolon. Okay. Outer plus plus. What do you mean use of type char? Oh, I see. Inner plus plus, put a semicolon there. Incomplete element type char. Oh, I see, okay. Suits 4 and 12, I guess. 13 and 12. What? Oh, and I need to... Okay, let's see. Invalid initializer. Suits of... okay. What does it mean in invalid initializer? Expected... Do I need to... like that? But... Okay, wait, can I... Okay, can I just do const? Make both of these const? Does that work? Invalid initializer, okay. And this is all... Yep. Can I just make this like 50? Nope, that doesn't do anything. Okay, already initial. Okay, okay. We got suits, ranks. Okay, so all of this part. So this whole part. Okay, so if we just okay. Char message equals suits of 0. What is rev s? It isn't allowed to be the name of another string literal or something like name another variable. Oh my god. Why are strings such a pain in the ass in C? Um Okay, okay, let's just start looking at Raylib Rust bindings. Okay, this doesn't look like this is fully compatible with or C++. Okay, I was initially having fun, but I can't work with a language that doesn't do strings. This or like, can I? Is there just like a string library, like C string library? Okay, is it just string.h? What do you do? Some useful. Okay, so include this dot. Okay, so it's still using the char array format. Printf strcat. Do I need to free anything? Okay, string.h is string.h. Okay, what? Free non-heap allocate. Okay, malloc. Okay, so we're just gonna import string.h. Errors include, I guess. Include string.h, great. And then we can just say message equals stircat. Okay, great. Okay. We just x and y, stircat, 1, 2, right. Stircat. Suits of 0 of, great. Okay. Let's use temp, right? And then char message equals stircat temp ranks of 0. Semicolon there, and run that. Gosh, what broke? What? String out at h, string at h, strcat. What did I do wrong here? Okay, can I just get rid of the const here? Does that fix anything? Invalid initializer. Okay. Stircat. Okay. Okay. Wait. It's. Okay. Wait. Does that? It adds stir1 to stir2. So. Stir. What? No. Ah! Why is okay? So stir copy one string to another. Okay. Okay, so what I actually want is stir copy, right? Substring. What is mem copy? Okay. Oof. What does puts do? Okay, so constitute the contents of string 2 to string 1. Source and destination. Okay. Okay, so we can stir copy two blocks of memory. Okay, so we copy the contents of string 1 to string 2. That overwrites. Okay. Can I just, like, it concatenates this first and copy one string and another returns? Okay, stir line. Okay, so maybe I can make this work. Okay, so yeah, gosh. Okay, so Circat breaks things. I don't know why. Can I just star that and set get rid of my error? Makes integer from pointer without cast. Check. Can I just do char star temp? That broke things even more. Okay, great. Yeah, so I just want to. Okay. Okay, so I can concatenate two strings, so that just source destination. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so we can stir copy destination source, right? Just the first string into the variable. So if we just make the okay, so we just make message char message 100. Great. And then we can stir copy message, comma, suits of 1. Stir copy of. All right. Great. Stir copy ranks search comma ranks of 1. So that should be the heart, the 2 of hearts. And then if I run that, 2. Copy the first string of the variable. Oh, okay, stir cat, okay. Let me just stir cat twice. Hearts of... Okay, well, 0. Okay, so file save as. Okay, we made some progress, figured some stuff out. This was a frustrating stream. I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you everyone who stopped by. Thank you to all my non-live watchers who somehow made it to the end of this honestly not very entertaining stream. Make games, play games will return in episode 3, whatever this is. Alright, love y'all. Have a great night.